My name is Natalie Gross, and I have grown up on and have been a member of the Cheyenne River Sioux tribe my entire life. I was always aware of my Native American heritage and our relationship with the land. However, ever since the boarding school era, my family has had our culture ripped away and whitewashed. 3 generations later, I know I am not alone in the struggle to find my way back to my indigenous roots. However, along with the Missouri Breaks and Great Plains Good Health and Wellness Program, I am reconnecting with the land and my Oyate. For 19 years, I had only been taught how to harvest and process chokecherries and plums, making them into jelly. All other natural abundances growing from our land, like timpsila, wild turnips, chayaka, wild mint, and countless more, were almost entirely unfamiliar to me. This changed when one of my gracious coworkers offered us interns the opportunity to go out on the land to attend harvest teachings. These harvests followed traditional protocol and also had an educational aspect. Chante washte yaoka po, dig with a good heart. That was the first thing we learned. Our land is sacred. Therefore, everything that comes from it is sacred as well. We are obligated to respect and appreciate all we take from Mother Nature. Throughout the entire harvest, my heart was soft and warm. All one could hear was muffled conversations, wind in their ears, feet in the grass, and shovels in the dirt. I greatly enjoyed the meditative environment and the earnest work done while digging. Following the harvest, I was constantly looking for an opportunity to share and practice what I had learned. I invited my siblings to come along with me to search for echinacea, sage, and other plants or flowers we might find along the way, and they were all for it. I also received the same eagerness from my little cousins when they came home to visit. It is clear our youth want and need these experiences. The hardest part of reconnecting to my culture is feeling intimidated and not native enough to try and identify with the practices again. The Oceti Shikoan must support one another in finding our way back to traditional values and customs. The interrelatedness of the land, our people, and our health is prevalent in all that we do. We must keep our way of life alive because our health depends on it, and it all starts with sharing our stories.